So for ratios and proportions review, we are going to try to figure out if these two fractions form a proportion. So is 6 over 1 equal to 19 over 3? So there's a couple different ways you can do this. We can cross multiply, so 6 times 3 would give us 18, and then 1 times 19 would give us 19, and those are not equal, so then no, this is not a proportion. The other way is that we can see if they reduce. So 6 over 1 reduces to 6, but 19 over 3 does not reduce to 6. They are not equal as well. So just two different ways to think about it. So one more. We can do 12 times 5 is 60. And we can do 4 times 5, that's also 60. So yes, these form a proportion. The other way is we can reduce them. 12 divided by 4 would give us 3, and 15 divided by 5 gives us 3 as well, and that is equal. So yes, they form a proportion. The other type of questions you're going to see here is you're going to have to solve proportions. You're going to find the missing value. So this one is set up pretty easily because I can tell that from 4 to 32, we multiply by 8. So then I have to figure out, well, what can I multiply by 8 to get 8 as an answer? So this would be y equals 1. Now, that way works with some of the problems, not all of the problems. So if it doesn't work, you're going to have to cross multiply. So multiply the two numbers across. So 8 times 4 is 32. And then divide by what's across from your variable. So I have to divide it by 32. And 32 divided by 32 is 1. So both ways got an answer of 1. And for the last one here, no shortcut. 30 times something that's 20, not going to work out for us. So we're going to have to cross multiply. So 30 times 8 would be 240. And then divide by what's across from the variable. So I'm going to divide by 20. Since they both end in zeros, I'm going to cross those off, so reducing. And then I have 24 divided by 2, which would give us 12. So D equals 12 in this case.